I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors, and today what I want to talk about is whether you need to replace your garage door or repair your garage door. If you're watching this right now, that means you live in Alpharetta, Georgia. Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors. And today what I want to talk about is whether you need to replace your garage door or repair your garage door. So what we want to think about is the first thing we want to think about is how old is your garage door? If we've got some age to that door, there's a good chance it needs to be replaced. The hardware starts breaking down, your rollers, your hinges, cables, things of that nature start getting bad. And at that point, what you need to know is a new garage door comes with all new hardware. It comes with all those parts. The one part of the door you're going to constantly have to keep changing out over the years is the springs. Springs are like brake pads on a car. After a certain amount of use, they're just going to break, and you've got to replace those. The other thing we want to look at, if you have a wood garage door, it is time to replace your garage door. You're not getting the insulation value and those energy savings that you would get with a new garage door. The other thing is you might want to look at the outside and see what your door looks like. Is it outdated? You know, the curb appeal of a garage door, especially if you can see that from the street, is going to enhance the look of your home, and it's also going to give you additional money when you go to sell your home. So those are the factors that really you want to think about when you're deciding to replace your garage door or repair your garage door. But probably the biggest factor of all is your budget, right? If you can't afford that new garage door, then maybe we just need to repair it, put that Band-Aid on it, get it down the road a couple more years until you do have the budget for a new garage door. But thanks for joining me today. Again, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors.